Ladies, I have a serious message for you. You want to destroy your family? Then you need to follow these rules, or these steps, I should say. First of all, you want to be ambitious, not only when you walk through the door out, but also in the house. You also want to be not adaptive. You also want to be not caring. You also want to be a handy woman, meaning you are able to change the spark plugs, you are able to change the tire and get a puncture, you are able to paint the walls and change the bulbs, and also you are able to open the strawberry conserve, the jar lid. You're able to open, right? You want to destroy your family? You want to destroy your relationship? You want your man to sit and watch football all the time? Do that what I say. Be ambitious everywhere, outside the house and inside the house, right? In the house. But I'll tell you what to do if you want really your relationship to go from strength to strength and be more happier and more happier every single day. When you come out of the corporate world and when you walk through the door, all of a sudden you strip all the garments in a way, not literally, but in a sort of like, your mentality, the way you switch your mentality over. Because there you're conquering and achieving things and doing things in the world, making a mark in this world. But when you walk through the door, you become a feminine and you become a woman that can do very little in terms of what man can do. But you are powerful in your own way, and I will explain where is your power is. So every time you want to open this jar, this is what you do. You try in front of your husband or partner and do like this. And then you say, turn to him and say, honey, can you help me to conquer this monster? And guess what's gonna happen? And he will do, of course, yes, I can do. I can help you with that. Every time you want to ask your man to do anything that seems like maybe easy, but you want him to be a conqueror and feel that he is the one that protecting you and taking care of all your problems, right? You don't want to change bulbs, you don't want to do any heavy work, and never mind cutting the grass and doing all the heavy lifting. You have your giant in the house, and if you speak right, as I told you with this example with the strawberry conserve jar, then you can apply in every area. You know, you don't do yourself, you ask your giant, your hero to come and help you. And I'm telling you, man will be pleased when you will say thank you, what I would do without you. You are my hero, you are my savior. And that's how you speak to a man. But also gonna be adaptable, meaning you give your opinion, you discuss with your husband, with your partner, but do not argue with him to get like why he's choosing his opinion, because he also must be able to explain why he's choosing his opinion, maybe 1 or 2 points, but let him get on. Doesn't matter what it is, because if he trips over and makes a mistake once, twice in the same area, or 3 times, then you are with a stupid man. And if your opinion is better and he's refusing that opinion, you chose a stupid man that doesn't learn from his own mistakes. And that's another video would be for that, how to solve it. But if you start speaking right and behaving right, what I showed you, that being powerless when he's next to you. When you're by yourself, you can do things, but when he's in the house, you must behave the right way to empower him to be a man that solves your problems. And when he goes through the door, he will be more of a conqueror rather than a muppet. Because you do everything, you juggle, you put the tiles on the wall, you do the flooring, you do everything. You want to do that? Get a muppet then, but not a man, not an alpha man. Therefore, speak like this, behave like that, because your power lays in your kindness, in your caring, in your being sympathetic and loving and giving and sort of like nurturing. That's where your power is. And when you lay in bed before you sleep and you talk to your husband or partner, you unveil your dreams and desires and leave it with him, and you will see how things will start moving and changing in your life. But if you're gonna stay the way you are, you're already on the way to destroy your relationship. Your man doesn't do much in the house, you juggling everything. And you thinking to get a stronger man, you wanting a stronger man. No, a stronger man will never have you, because he doesn't need another man in the house. He needs a feminine woman that can't even open the jar, the strawberry conserve jar, the lid. They can't twist the lid because she's too weak, because she needs him. Do you understand what I mean? Good luck.